Writing OKRs in Fitbots is incredibly simple and efficient. You'll only need one step per objective and key result. Let's dive into the process. Step 1. Create a team. This will be your group of motivated individuals working towards a common goal. Step 2. Find the Add Objective button to begin writing your objective. This is where you define what you aim to achieve. Step 3. Within the objective card, locate the Add KR button to add a key result. Key results are the measurable outcomes that contribute to your objective's success. That's it. You now have your objective and KR in place. However, we have some exciting features to elevate your OKR crafting experience. When crafting an objective, you have 3 options to choose from as your default writing method. 1. OKRs AI Assist. This feature generates objectives and KRs based on your team and goals, streamlining the process for you. 2. Inline Objective. This opens an inline editor, allowing you to quickly add your objectives. 3. Objective Assistant. This provides a writing assistant that guides you in crafting the perfect objective. Simply select your preferred default method by using the switch in the drop-down menu. The next time you click the Add Objective button, it will open your chosen default method. But wait, there's more. You have 2 additional methods available for writing your OKRs. 1. OKRs Templates. Explore a library of carefully crafted OKRs created by our OKR experts. You can search for templates by keywords and team. 2. Import from CSV. If you've already written your OKRs, you can easily copy and paste them into our CSV template and upload them all at once. And it doesn't stop at objectives. You can also select your preferred default method for adding KRs. 1. Inline KR. This opens an inline editor for you to add KRs directly under your objective. 2. KR Assistant. Similar to the objective writing process, the KR Assistant provides guidance to ensure you create well-defined KRs. Simply use the switch to select your preferred default method, and the next time you write a KR, it will open your preferred method automatically. That's all there is to it. With Fitbots, writing your OKRs becomes a seamless process, ensuring your OKRs are well crafted and measurable for higher success rates. Get started and unlock your team's full potential.